Full kits for young learners. Rockjam makes learning fun with accessories and lesson modes. First, Rockjam RJ5061 SuperKit, $89.99. The RJ5061 SuperKit is a 61-key keyboard bundle with headphones and a stand, everything a new player needs to get started right away. It includes lesson modes and basic sounds to guide practice sessions. If you want an affordable, all-in-one kit for beginners or kids, this Rockjam package is tough to beat for value and convenience. Second, Rockjam RJ761 SK Interactive, $109.99. This interactive 61-key learning kit adds hands-on lesson modes to keep students engaged and progressing. The interface encourages practice through play-along features and guided songs. It's ideal for parents or teachers who want a straightforward learning device that doubles as a fun, approachable instrument. Third, Rockjam RJ549 Portable, 54-key, $69.99. The RJ549 is a 54-key portable electric keyboard, small, light, and great for little hands or casual dabbling. It's designed for youngsters who aren't ready for full-size keyboards but want an electronic instrument to explore melody and rhythm. Pair it with simple online lessons and you've got an inexpensive intro to music. Fourth, Rockjam RJ361 Portable, 61-key, $59.99. An ultra-affordable 61-key keyboard with a compact stand option, the RJ361 suits early learners and hobbyists. It includes lesson modes to make practice structured and fun. If budget is the priority and you want a full-size learning surface, this Rockjam delivers basic functionality for beginners. Fifth, Rockjam Electronic Keyboard SuperKit, $99.99. The SuperKit variant brings lesson modes, headphones, and accessories together in a neat package. It focuses on easy setup and immediate playability, making it a favorite for gift-giving or starting lessons. For anyone introducing a child to keyboard